this challenge, you're going to be implementing the speed power-up entirely on your own. I'm going to go ahead and give you some building blocks using pseudocode, but ultimately you'll be implementing this completely on your own. So currently, what I've left you with is we have a speed power-up and a triple shot power-up. You can collect both of these, and each one has a unique ID. The speed power-up is 1. Currently, it's not doing anything because there's no speed implementation. So if we look at the player, there's a few things you need to do in order to have a speed power-up. First thing, you're going to need another variable. You need a variable to know if you collected the speed power-up. Okay? So you're going to need a variable that determines yes, you have a speed boost, or no, you don't. Next, you're going to want to use that variable, and you need to control your movement. So for instance, here's where you control the speed of your player. You're going to have to create some logic in here that checks. So here, we're going to have some logic that says, like, if speed boost enabled, then we want to, let's go ahead and say, move 1.5x the normal speed. Else, we'll go ahead and say, else move normal speed. So we need to create logic and code for that. Next, you're going to want to do something similar. You're going to need a method. So method to enable the power-up. And then you're also going to need a coroutine method, which is IEnumerator. So you're going to need IEnumerator, coroutine method IEnumerator, to power down the speed boost. And last but not least, you're going to need to hop over to our power-up script, and you're actually going to need to enable speed boost here. Alrighty, good luck. Don't just hop over to the review and look at how I would solve this. Go ahead and give it your shot. You have the pseudocode, you have the logic, you know the skills required, you have the syntax. Go ahead and make it happen on your own. Good luck.